The All Parties Hurriyat Conference has said that Kashmiris are determined to carry on their struggle for the liberation of their motherland from Indian yoke. The APHC spokesman, in a statement issued in Srinagar, Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, said killings, arrest and torture cannot defeat the Kashmiris' urge for freedom, and they will ready to face Indian bullets but will not surrender. He said the Modi regime cannot defeat the spirit of Kashmiri people to win freedom, and they have no option but to fight Indian illegal occupation. Kashmiris will continue sacrificing their lives till freedom from Indian clutches. Congress leader Karan Singh, who backs for early assembly elections in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir as well as reinstating its statehood, has said that the political process has to be restored in the territory. Karan Singh, in a media interview in Jammu, said that Panchayat elections have already taken place and now it is imperative to hold assembly elections as soon as possible. In August 2019, the Modi government abrogated Article 370, which granted special status to Jammu and Kashmir and bifurcated its union territories to Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. The convener of IIOJK chapter of Tehreek-e-Hurriyat Jammu and Kashmir, Ghulam Mohammad Safi, has said that India has always ignored justice, ground realities and historical evidence and has tried to suppress Kashmiri freedom movement with imperialist mentality and oppression. Ghulam Mohammad Safi, in a media interview, said for the last 75 years, India has tried to continue its illegal occupation over the disputed Jammu and Kashmir through its military might. The Shiromani Gurdwara Committee (SGPC), on behalf of the Sikh community, has registered a strong opposition declaring the Uniform Civil Code (UCC) proposed by the Bharatiya Janata Party-led Indian government as unnecessary in the country. Members of Canada's Sikh community have demonstrated outside the Indian consulate in Toronto, Canada, to protest the unsolved murder of one of their leaders last month in the Vancouver area. They said the Indian government is responsible for the gunning down of the Hardeep Singh, president of Sikh Temple and campaigner for the creation of an independent Sikh state that supporters hope to call Khalistan.